Hello,
Hello, teacher.
what's your name?
My name is Xuân Mai. I'm in grade 6 at trong Secondary School.
Cool. Do you like reading books?
Yes, it can help me to get some knowledge, and reading books is my favorite hobby.
Do you prefer eating out or cooking at home?
I prefer cooking at home because my mom cook really good, and I like her meals.
City or countryside?
Countryside
Why do you prefer the countryside?
because it is very peaceful, and I like to see the area in that.
What is the best thing about your hometown?
Is is the field because it looks peaceful, and I love watching the field in the afternoon.
Are computers important to you?
Yes, because it helped me to know about everything, and I can chatting online with my friends.
Cool. Very good. Well done, Mike.
Thank you, teacher.
All right. Yeah, hoy.